whole tragic point, my friends. What would I do if I could suddenly feel and to know once again that what I feel is real?
It's money.
I could cry,
Lonnie.
I could smile,
Soul shifters.
I might lay back for a while.
Come on.
Tell me what would I do if I could feel?
Yeah. Spitting games, but never knew how spitting changed. Enemies and frenemies, they're all the same. I can't blame them all, cause I'm the one that claimed to take flights and see sights and flying planes. Strange thoughts will moonwalk up on my brain. Reminiscing, but still wishing you scream my name. Stay with me, blood, cause I'm feeling vain. This is the art of me, I'm pumping up my name. Is it? I'm feeling very gifted. Pull up to the club, all red, they call me Clifford. No one knows how they did and how we did this. All he did was give them bread and then they twisted. Damn, and it's murder, hero. Jealousy was the headline of that murderer's quote. He was gripping a Tech 9 that was jamming his throat. Now he's screaming it ain't mine, that was found in a boat. Stuck in the maze, trying to get paid. Stuck in the maze, trying to get paid.
Breathers on my neck, biting my style, blood sucking vampires. Hickeys of fire, floating death before dishonor. Kiss the cheated, life pays back a bitch, another karma heated. Laughing face of funny fears, go around running nightmares, chasing dreams up and down. Right before I'm left with brown readers. Judge books by sticking scripts to follow as leaders. Same story as another chapter's paragraph. Word, let us line a full sentence in half. Don't bail on it, locked into the end. Cell guard in the beginning, and pleasant to defend. Offensive, electric barbed wire charge kicks to batter. The battery fire on earth in the air, that's water with elements. Touch the realm to really vent the relevant.
Invincible, lyrical, miracle man, But back to the matter at hand, cause 10 years ago we all strived to be 25. Some cats didn't make it alive. Dated some stars but respect their privacy. Cop mad cars laying back in the driver's seat. Held myself down, just staring away.